B-Run Steelhead. This is fun, Nate.
Nice. Boy, it's beautiful.
We'll see if we can get a cluster with all these lines out. Well,
You
this
tell
has got
me.
that sidewash on it, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Ooh, yeah. Go, 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 man.
Oh, beautiful fish.
I don't see any fin on it. I'm going to move this a little.
Okay, got it.
Doing that one right there.
Okay.
That's that one we saw rolling.
Yeah, I think so.
If you can, oh, I can get them, yeah, I suppose.
Now that's how you do it.
Oh, you son of a bitch, you just spit it.
Oh, just bitter.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Dirty bugger. Oh, there goes my coffee cup.
Oh,
Dude!
cut!